One system, thousands of tasks, millions of tubes inspected, years of experience. The safety of nuclear power plants depends on reliability of technology and professional competence of staff. In our company, we have developed the VVER-24, a telerobotic device, as a new generation of technology for the most demanding operating conditions. Our experts from the Division of Nuclear Power Plant Diagnostics designed and built it to deliver a new standard in nuclear equipment maintenance. The inspection of steam generator heat exchanger tubes ranks among the most challenging tasks. VVER-24 is safer, more precise, and more efficient than anything we have known before. Within a maze of more than 11,000 tubes with internal diameter of only 13 millimeters, VVER-24 can detect even the tiniest cracks as small as 1 millimeter. Damaged tubes are then automatically plugged. Thanks to its modular design and advanced sensors, our system can accurately assess the condition of the steam generator's heat exchange tubes. The entire process is carried out remotely, ensuring that our staff are fully protected from radiation exposure. More than 40 specialists from our company in design, mechanics, electrical engineering, software engineering, non-destructive testing, and welding contributed to the development and production of the devices like this. 14 months of intensive work produced a result that takes nuclear maintenance capabilities to a new level. VVER-24 is unique. It combines in one system functions that other solutions can only perform separately: detailed diagnostics and mechanical maintenance. In this configuration, it has no equivalent in Europe, nor among nuclear power plants of the VVER-type. For nuclear power plant operators, VVER-24 means faster and more reliable steam generator maintenance during planned outages, longer lifespan of critical components, and above all, a higher level of safety. VVER-24, developed by our company, is the future of nuclear power plant maintenance.